Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.2, Problem 5. This is Section 3.2, Problem 5. It says use the symbol less than, greater than, or equal to make a true statement. We're comparing two numbers, 9.7 and 9.70. That's really the same number. When you have a decimal, putting a 0 on the right end doesn't change it. Just like when you have a whole number, say with your TV set, channel 4 or channel 04, that's the same channel. Whole number adding a 0 to the left doesn't change it. Decimal adding a 0 to the right doesn't change it. And you can even go through. The leftmost digit matches, go one digit to the right, that matches. One digit to the right, the 0. This essentially, you could put in a 0. You could put in several zeros after each one. So the symbols that we have to choose from that would make the statement true is equals. 9.7 is equal to 9.70.